Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a little tip for how to do the 3 parts when you're folding. I'm just going to go ahead here. I'm starting with a rectangular piece of paper. I'm going to put the 2 adjacent sides together and line them up. This is our fold number 1. It's also how we make a square from a rectangle. And we'll just go ahead and cut along this side. Okay, you can see now we have our square. And now we're just going to go ahead and fold it. That's our fold number 1. And then we're going to match these 2 small points for our fold number 2. Now this is where people usually get a little bit frustrated because we're going to be folding this point into 3 parts. But all the patterns can help you with this. So we're just going to go ahead and line this pattern up. I like to use the edge that has the 2 folds because we're going to be tucking those folds into the center. It's going to make it easier for us later when we're doing our cutting. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put a paper clip on that. And we're going to go ahead. We'll take this other side and just fold it so that it meets up with the pattern. Just like that. And then we'll take off the pattern and unfold it, and then we're going to tuck those 2 edges right inside. This way they don't shift around while we're using our scissors. And then we're going to refold. Just right over top. Sometimes you have to work the point just a little bit to keep it straight. And you'll see here that we have the ears that stick up above the line. If you're making a freehand snowflake, just make sure that none of your pattern goes onto the ears, or it won't be on all sides of the snowflake. Thank you for watching.